Welcome back, everybody. Now we are on question 4. Okay, it's about function, about kinematics. Okay, about the give it the velocity. And then first find the velocity at time t equals to, oh, very easy, just substitution and then calculation time. Okay, remember back where to. You can use the calculator, but write down the required calculation thing first. It's minus, sorry. 2 times 2 is 4. Remember, set the thing, your thing to radian mode. Okay, always radian mode. Okay, so this is then calculation time. Pause the video. Welcome back. It is negative 1.00. Actually, 0.996 something, right? Next one, okay, find the maximum velocity of the particle. This is a complicated question, so you understand. Can't do it, so it is a graphical time. Okay, sketch the graph. And then from the graph, okay, look at here, find the peak. And what are you looking? You're looking for the maximum velocity. So the peak velocity, this term, okay? Can you get it from your calculator? What is it? Yes, 1.182. Excellent. Okay, so you got 2 marks. Okay, next one, find the acceleration of the particle at the instant it's change direction. Change direction means from positive v to negative v, right? It means that when it crosses the time axis. So here, so look at the time here. Ask your calculator to help you. What is the time here? Remember, more digits, right? More accuracy. 1.658, right? So you got the time is 1.658. It gives you 3 marks, so you need to do some procedure, right? Acceleration, so you need to show people you know what is acceleration. Is dvdt, right? And then you really do the differentiation of the this thing. So it is, first one is 0, so it's minus the negative t. Okay, next one is, wow, complicated. Okay, you copy it. Okay, so it is wow, hard to find it. What is that? Okay, so it is plus 2 cosine 2t, and then exponential negative sign 2t. Okay, let's check. Okay, differentiation, yes, 2 comes out, yes. No more test, yes. Okay, and then it's the substitution time. Substitute this inside and then calculate the result of the acceleration. Really hard. I got it wrong too at first. Okay, remember it's multiplication. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so what is your result? Yes, quite steep. Okay, negative 2.53. Okay, I hope I didn't make any careless mistake here. So it's a negative 2.53. Okay, you get it? Well done. Well done to myself too. I didn't make any mistake. If I make any mistake, remember, leave your comment down there. I will correct it and improve it. Thank you. See you guys.